The painted faces congregate in the mating season. To second homes they go alone, in no rush to leave 'em. And there's a fountain and a scimitar shaped yellow light, and it picks you up and cuts you down to size. The people there, the furniture start to seem important. And a moment more and you catch the floor with a vivid and absorbent, sharp and dark, like the scimitar shaped yellow light that picks you up and cuts you down to size. Oh, I had questions for the tap dancer, sat on my lap, and she had childproof caps on her answers. Stone blower, blow me a stone, and show me that handsome enhancer. She had a rock on her throttle and a brown glass bottle full of shavings from the sun. Although those shoes affect your step, don't forget whose legs you're on. There's a fountain and a scimitar shaped yellow light, and it picks you up and it cuts you down to size.